Hello everybody, I have a new feature I want to present you. For example, for this set of numbers, I'm on the home page and I generated these numbers, and I would like to see if these numbers ever won the big jackpot. And I can go here to see the past results. You see, this is all the results, and I can see this was nothing, this was one ball. And let's see if this set of numbers ever match all five numbers. Looks like it didn't. But for example, I would like to see if it matched four numbers. It didn't. It matched three numbers. Look, I had three numbers few times, and last time it happened in the January 4th. Of course, I can generate a different set of numbers and check again results. For example, for no balls match, and see I have all the draws. This happened a lot, right? But for example, I want to see just two numbers match. Last time it happened, looks like a few days ago. I want to see five numbers never match. For example, four times, it happened just once. Four balls match, and so on. One ball or more, you can see what happened every time. Let me know how do you like this feature. It is available now in the Play Store. If you have any questions, let it down here in the video or send me an email. I would love to hear your feedback. Good luck, everybody.